So today I am going to teach you how to make cloth covered buttons just like this for absolutely fucking free. Basically using stuff you already have lying around the house. First thing you need to make cloth covered buttons for only a penny is to cut out a circle of fabric, but it will depend. When cutting the fabric for the button mold, you want it to be half an inch larger than the button mold itself, which in this case the button mold is a penny. So to start off, you want to grab the cloth you're going to use and you're going to put the thread through it and then do a simple buttonhole stitch right there. And then you're going to want to run the needle around the side and a simple running stitch. You don't want to back stitch it and you don't want to catch on anything because you're going to pull it once you get all the way around. But you don't pull it until you put the penny inside of it. This is just a very cheap way of making buttons, especially considering we're going through a recession right now. This might actually be very useful if you're doing DIY stuff. Alright, so once you get the fucking penny in there, you want to like pull the thread a bit, and you see here, you don't want to pull it all the way because it will fray the fabric along with it while you pull it. So then you want to like go through it and do a button stitch. Like you keep going through it. Okay, so you want to keep going. Just keep like going around it to secure it, and you kind of want to push it through all the way, like multiple angles. And you could, with this method, you could cover any disc-shaped item. You just kind of want to do a little bit of a shank around it so you can secure it by doing like a buttonhole stitch around this. And then another train is about to fucking pass soon. You can fucking hear it. You just kind of want to keep going. You want to, and then, so then you have a cloth covered button. Be pretty cool.